Hello everyone. So in last video we learned about pronoun, its definition and kinds. In this video we are going to learn personal pronoun. Okay? Personal pronouns, a pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. I repeat, a pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. Okay, like I am singing. Here I is your personal pronoun. You are you are running. You is your personal pronoun. They are ill. It is ill. I double L. They are ill. They personal pronoun. It is a book. It personal pronoun. Okay. There are three persons in personal pronoun. Okay. So how many persons? Three persons. First person. It refers to the speaker. Okay. फर्स्ट पर्सन्स क्या होते हैं? स्पीकर्स. जो बोलता है उसको रेफर करता है. लाइक आई, मी, माई, माइन, वी, अस, आर, आर्स. दीज आर योर फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन. ओके, दीज आर योर फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउंस. फर्स्ट पर्सन्स क्या होते हैं? जो स्पीकर को रेफर करते हैं, यानी बोलने वाला खुद के लिए जिसका यूज़ करता है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन में आते हैं. लाइक आई शैल गो. आई फर्स्ट पर्सन. वी शैल डू आर वर्क्स. दीज टू वर्ड्स आर आर फर्स्ट पर्सन बिकॉज वी स्पीकर इज यूजिंग आर फॉर देमसेल्व्स. ठीक है, हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो आर का यूज़ हमारे खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं. स्पीकर आर का यूज़ खुद के लिए कर रहे हैं. दैट्स वाई आर इज़ ऑल्सो योर फर्स्ट पर्सन. दिस बुक इज़ माइन. ओके, स्पीकर बोल रहा है ये बुक मेरी है, यानी स्पीकर की है. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई पेन. ओके, शी गेव अस. उसने हमें 1000 रुपीज़ दिए. शी गेव अस ₹1000. सो all these words in blocks are first person pronoun. Okay, second person. It refers to the person. It refers to the person or people spoken to. Okay, like you, your, yours. You, your, yours मीन्स जिससे कहा जाता है. स्पीकर जिससे बात करता है तो उसके बारे में सेकेंड पर्सन बताता है. लाइक यू शुड लर्न योर लेसन. यू शुड लर्न योर लेसन. सो स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग टू यू. सो यू एंड योर, दीज आर योर सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस. दीज पेन्स आर योर्स. ओके, स्पीकर बोल रहा है ये पेन आपकी है. जिससे बात कर रहा है उसके लिए योर्स का यूज़ किया गया. आई गेव यू अ बुक स्टरडे. मैंने आपको कल एक बुक दी, यानी यू इज़ यूज फॉर द पर्सन टू होम आई एम टॉकिंग. ठीक है, तो यू यहाँ पे सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन हो गया. थर्ड पर्सन. इट रिफर्स टू द पर्सन स्पोकन अबाउट. ये उसके बारे में बताता है जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही हो. ही, हिम, हिज, शी, हर, हर्स, दे, देयर, देयर्स, इट एंड इट्स. दीज आर योर थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. आई रिपीट, ही, हिम, हिज, she, her, hers, they, their, theirs, it, its. These are your third person pronouns. Okay, they will see you. They will see it. Okay, they यानी वे जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. see it. ओके, थर्ड पर्सन. ना तो मैं हूँ ना तो मैं जिससे बात कर रहा हूँ, जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है उसके. ही विल डू इट. थर्ड पर्सन. मैं और आप नहीं है, कोई और है. थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, शी हेल्प अ पुअर बॉय. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो शी इज यूज फॉर थर्ड पर्सन. हिम, दीज कार्स आर देयर्स. दिस बॉय हैज़ ब्रोकन हर पेंसिल. ओके, दीज वर्ड्स इन ब्लॉक्स आर थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. ओके, yes, here is a table. This table is very important. You have to learn this table. Okay. Case. Nominative case used as a subject. ठीक है, nominative case का use कहाँ होता है? As a subject. Objective case as a object use किए जाते हैं. Okay. And possessive case जैसे मैंने बताया my, mine, वहाँ ownership शो होती है. So nominative for subject, objective for object and possessive for possession. Okay. First person singular number I. Okay. मीन्स स्पीकर होगा, सिंगुलर नंबर होगा तो I. और इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव केस मी. In nominative case I am your friend. Okay. Objective case me. He gave me. Okay. Here me is working as object. Possessive case my, mine. This is my pen. Here my in possessive case. And this book is mine. Here mine is also in possessive case. So I, me, my, mine. Second, first person plural means speaker but more than one. We. ठीक है. We are going to Agra. Us. Objective case. She gave us rupees 1000. Our. This room is ours. This room is ours for this one. Possessive case, objective form. This book is ours. And this room, this is our rooms. ठीक है. This is our rooms. So possessive case. Okay. Now second person you. Nominative case you are my friend. Objective case also you. Like I gave you rupees 1000 yesterday. Your. This pen is this is your pen. Here your possessive case. And this pen is yours. Here possessive case, objective form. Okay. In plural also you is used. Like you are my friends. However you is plural. ठीक है. She gave you rupees 1000. उसने तुम सब लोगों को 1000 रुपीज़ दिए. प्लूरल बट ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म. ओके. दीज आर योर पेन्स. ये पेन्स आप लोगों की हैं, यानी मोर देन वन. दीज पेन्स आर योर्स. ये पेन्स आपकी हैं. ओके. नाउ थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर. ही फॉर मेल, शी फॉर फीमेल, and it for neuter gender. Okay. When we are talking about a male, we should use he. When we are talking about female, we should use she. When we are talking about neuter gender or non-living things, we should use it. Likewise, him. Objective form he. Her. Objective form she. It. Objective form it. Okay. Like he gave me 2 rupees. Here he is in nominative case. I gave him 2 rupees. Here him in objective case. She gave me 2 rupees. She nominative case. I gave her 2 rupees. her objective case. ठीक है. It is raining. It subjective और nominative case. ठीक है. She broke it. Okay. Here it objective case. And now possessive case his. He broke his pen. Okay. She broke her pen. ठीक है. These books are hers. ठीक है. And it's also. It is for a bird. It is pecking its beak. ठीक है. Third person plural they for both living and non-living things. Okay. They are singing. Objective case them. Okay. Teacher is scolding them. Teacher उन्हें डांट रहे हैं. Objective case possessive case their and theirs. Like they are writing with their pens. Okay. These pens are theirs. So these are possessive case. I hope you have understood the table and what does each and every word mean. ठीक है, so you must learn the table. Note, here are some points. Note, you, your, yours are used for both singular and plural. Yes, as I explained you in the table, singular and plural. In both cases, you is used. You are my friend. Here, friend singular, and you are my friends. There are more than one friend, plural. In both cases, you should use you. Okay. Mine, our, ours, hers, theirs. ठीक है, these words are objective form of possessive case, so are used after verb. After verb means as a object, like this book is mine. Here is your verb and mine is objective form of possessive case. This school is ours. After is your verb. These horses are is your verb and after that theirs. Okay. This pen is your verb and hers is possessive case. Okay. So I repeat, mine, ours, yours, hers, theirs are used after verb. Third, it is used for non-living things. Yes. Small animals. Yes. Birds. Yes. Small children. Yes. And weather and so on. Okay. It's very important. Be careful and let's try to understand. This is my pencil. I bought it yesterday. Okay. It is used for pencil. It is non-living things. It is a tame cat. It is a tame cat. It is used for the cat. So, small animal. Bee is an insect. It prepares honey. It is used for bee. It is used for bee. Bee is your insect and it is used for insect. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Its color is green. Parrot is a bird. Okay. It is used for a parrot. So, for birds. Okay. It is a small baby. For small children, as you can see here, small children. ठीक है. It is a small baby. It is hot today. For weather. Here it is for weather. It is by 10. It is 10 by my watch. It is as a subject for a sentence. Okay. So, this is the use of it. Next, they is used for both living and non-living things. They is used for both living and non-living things. Yes, those are my friends. They have come from Delhi. They is used for friends. Friends is your living things. Okay. So for living things, THEY. Spelling, you should be careful. It is THEY, they. Okay. It is they. Okay. They have come from Delhi. वे दिल्ली से आए हुए हैं. These are my chairs. ये मेरी चेयर्स हैं. ओके. दे हैव बीन बॉट फ्रॉम लखनऊ. वे लखनऊ से खरीदी गई. सो दे हैज़ बीन यूज्ड फॉर चेयर्स फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट दे इज यूज्ड फॉर बोथ लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स इन प्लूरल नाउन्स. ठीक है. प्लूरल के केस में दे का यूज़ हम लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग दोनों के लिए करते हैं. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.